In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, access tab menu and look for location icon. When you find it, click on it. Now you need to select close in this pop-up, and as you can see after that, location of my SONY is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same icon, but you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section over here. Then manage the location of your SONY by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!